Hey everybody, this is Kirk again. Right now I'm ready to do a video on Economy Exposed. All right, this is Economy Exposed. There's an MLM company out here called Eaconomy, y'all, and I'm ready to do a review. I've been talking to some of the IBOs and whatnot, and they telling you, that they have some artificial intelligence software that's gonna trade for them, y'all. Trade for them. Come on now, understand this. We've been sitting here looking at charts and everything, trying to learn candles and pips and Fibonacci's and everybody's names and stuff like that. Nah, stuff I've never heard of before, right? But they talking about they got some artificial intelligence software that's going to help them trade in the foreign exchange, a $5.3 trillion industry a day, y'all. So I'm here to do Economy Exposed. I've been doing some research, checking around and looking into their website and everything. And you know what? They do. They got some artificial intelligence software that's going to help you trade. It's going to help make the trading experience a lot easier, right? So I didn't believe them at first. So you know what I did? I went and signed up, right? They told me I could get a free 30-day trial of the software, hook it up and see what it does for me. Because I'm here to do Economy Exposed right now. So they told me they're going to let me try that software absolutely free for 30 days, y'all. So guess what? I did that. I went and tried it. And it worked, y'all. It actually did work. You know what I'm saying? It actually did work, y'all. This is Economy Exposed, all right? I'm giving you the full raw thing of it right now. I went and signed up, and guess what? They showed me in their back office how I was actually positioning myself to help other people do it and get paid a weekly residual. A weekly residual to help other people get paid. Because see, that's what they be talking about. I talked to the IBOs and everything, and they be telling you, they're gonna pay me to help other people make their Forex trading experience easier. So they're gonna pay me to help other people make money in a $5.3 trillion industry a day. 5.3 trillion a day. I just need a little piece of that. When they told me that, I didn't believe them. So I started doing my research. Come to find out, it is a $5.3 trillion industry a day, y'all. I didn't believe them. So hey, guess what? I signed up and I tested their software. Now, I'm gonna tell you like this, my past results don't guarantee your future gains, y'all, but the software worked for me. It is working for me right now as we speak, y'all. So that's it, y'all. Economy Exposed. If you want some more information, you know what to do. Get with the link down at the bottom. Come to my page, kirkwheeler.biz. Go to kirkwheeler.biz. It's in the link down there. Look at it, sign up for free, get a test drive of the system, y'all. We'll see y'all on the next video.